Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will see how to set Grub2 password in RHEL 7 or CentOS 7. It is very important to protect your Grub password so that when your system is booted, nobody can go inside and make the changes. So it is a very important step, and before moving forward, I have shown in my previous video how to create cron jobs and many other videos. If you haven't watched those videos, I'll put the link into the description. You can go and watch them. And if you like the video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos, because your support will motivate me to make more videos. I'll be coming up with such type of videos every day, so stay tuned. Alright then, without further ado, let's get directly into our today's practical. So these are the steps that I have already mentioned over here, so I'll start executing the steps. The first command is grub2 make password, so I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. So you can enter your password whatever you want. I will enter a random password. Okay, so this is the password when it start with grub. So your hash of your password is this. So this is what you have to select and put into the grub config file. Before that, you have to make sure that you take a backup of your file so that if you make any mistake, you can revert back to your original file. I'll keep it as dot original. Okay, now we can make the desired changes. Let's go into the file, shift G and O. Here what I have to do is I have to write set super users is equal to root, set super users is equal to root, and then I have to mention the password pbkdf2, password pbkdf2 root, and then I have to enter the password. This is how we change the file. Now we have to run a command, that is password. Before doing that, we have to make the desired changes. So run the below command. Grub2 make config -o is nothing but the output file into the grub2 grub.config. Now the next step is we will restart our machine and let's see whether we get a prompt when we boot our system. So you have to interrupt the booting procedure, and as you can see, it is not going directly into the boot. So you have to enter the password So after entering the password, you get the Grub menu. So as I've said, it is very important to protect your Grub with password. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, press the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more videos. Okay then, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.